Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this set here. The VICTGOAL bicycle set. StVZO approved. 50 lux bicycle lights, light emitted diode set with IPX5 waterproof level. This bicycle light set comes with a USB-C rechargeable port for the night cycling. Yeah, really nice, because we have all what you need to get a safer bicycle with that devices. Because this light emitted diode bicycle light set is approved according to the German Straßenverkehrsordnung K2490 and K1647. The front bicycle lamp has a glare-free design that illuminates the road in front of our without dazzling oncoming pedestrians or vehicles, while the bicycle rear light effectively warns vehicle behind us. We have 3 adjustable modes. That means it brings 50, 20, and 10 locks with it. It can be freely changed depending on the environment. The bicycle lights always offers the right light for our ride and ensures an optimal lighting in different driving situations. And the lamp set complies with the IPX5 water protection standard and provides a reliable protection against rain and splashes. The 30 waterproof housing protects the internal electronic components and ensures that the light always works perfectly. And the USB port of the bicycle light is USB rechargeable. It can be connected to our computer, mobile phone, or a power bank, and offers a runtime of up to 7 hours. That's cool. When the battery level drops below 20%, the indicator light goes on with a red light to remind us to charge in time. And you see, easy assembling, because this light set requires no tools for mounting and can be attached to the handlebars of different bicycles, including mountain bikes, road bikes, folding bikes, pedelecs, children's bicycles, and scooters. All for meeting the different needs for bicycles and to that, of course. And of course, if you go with your bike to shopping or to work or for sports, this IPX5 waterproof designed light system is the right choice. Installation is really easy, as you can see. You connect it with the strap, job's done, both of it. And in the front side, you can remove it and attach it. Oh, this bicycle light LED set is really cool. You do not only have to use it on a bicycle, you can use it on a wheelchair, or if you go hiking or walk with the dog, no problem for it. You can use it all night long. This is the VICTGOAL bicycle lamp set, StVZO approved. 50 lux bicycle lights LED set with IPX5 waterproof level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.